update. Today's Wednesday. I pretty much have my kitchen cabinets all cleaned out, and I just kind of have my necessities over in that corner there. Stuff that we're still using for the next 2 days. These are some more boxes that I'm just kind of leaving open so I can put some small things on top. There's a bunch of junk everywhere. Using up old newspaper, literally whatever I can find, and also wrapping paper because I've been running out of newspaper, and just, yeah, use whatever you can. This is our new side table. This couch is going tonight, so that will be a big empty space there. And then I've got a ton of boxes, so I have TV there. These are some moving blankets that we bought just to help protect the furniture that we are taking. We've got some dirty laundry, more stuff that I am getting rid of, taking to Goodwill today. And then back here, it's pretty much, I guess I'll just take you back here. It's pretty much cleaned up. As you can see, this room is, empty, cleaned up. It smells super good in here. Same thing with that room. That was the office. Looks pretty much exactly the same. Bedroom is getting there. I've got some more clean laundry I need to clean up. And tomorrow I'm gonna try to pack like I'm going on a trip and just like pack the clothes, leave the clothes out that I'm gonna be wearing on Friday. Jesse's nice clothes, like nice shirts in there so that they don't get all wrinkled up just by throwing them in a bag. This is pretty much the only clothes I have out right now. I've just been wearing sweatshirts and sweatpants. But yeah, got a lot of it packed up. Feeling pretty good. So that's the update. So I'm just taking a little break on the couch because in a couple hours we won't have a couch anymore. People are coming to pick up this one and the love seat downstairs tonight, so that will be out of here. Jesse is just running out right now to the store to get me some more tape because I'm completely out. But yeah, tomorrow so tomorrow night our cars are getting loaded onto the tractor trailer. Someone's coming with a tow truck and doing that for us. So today my goal is to get everything boxed up, and then tomorrow during the day I'm gonna get all the boxes into the cars so that we can put the cars into the trailer tomorrow night.
Ow, frick my shin. What are you doing? I'm trying to work it. This is carried down by now. This thing is a piece of shit. Keep it coming, I'm trying to push up. Oh. Here, let me get it up on top. There you go. Now just freaking slide it. Isn't that stupid thing, the Kingdom Come? Keep it going. Piece of shit.
The kitchen is pretty empty now. I was able to get a lot of the stuff packed up this morning. I cooked one last breakfast, and that'll probably be the last cooking that I do, just because it's too hard to keep washing dishes and all of that when I'm trying to pack it all up. So right now, because I don't want to cook anything else, I'm making a smoothie, and this is just my blueberry and, gosh, I can't even think right now, pineapple, and then I have some maca powder, acai powder, and chia seeds. So I'm going to blend that up with some pineapple juice and water, and that will be my... What's up, guys? Today is Thursday, the day before we move, so things are just moving right along here today. I am currently packing up the rest of our clothing. I'm washing our sheets one last time, and I'm just trying to get everything ready to go. We're getting the cars loaded in the trailer this afternoon, so I need to get everything boxed so I can fill the cars with the boxes so that the cars can go into the trailer. So we have a full day. Also, the buyers are coming to do one last walkthrough of our house before the settlement tomorrow. So I kind of want to get everything like cleaned up and looking a little bit presentable for them when they get here. We got some furniture and boxes that'll be ready to go in the trailer. You can see the trailer. Oh, actually, you can't see it. There it is, outside the window there. We are gonna load this in after we load the cars, which is in like 15 minutes. Okay, you guys, today is the day. We are pretty much packed up and ready to go. As you can hear in here, it's empty and echoey. I'm in the bathroom right now. I just finished cleaning this. We obviously wanted to take showers and get ready to go for the long drive that we have tonight. But yeah, everything is pretty much cleaned. We've just got a couple things left. We need to put the TV in yet. I think they kind of forgot about that, but we need to find space for that. If you can see that big white thing out there, that's the trailer. And then I just had, this is like our shower stuff, just a little bin with that, and then some dirty clothes that I'll need to wash when I get down there. And then over here, this is what's going with us in the cab of the truck. So I've got some like pillows and blankets because I like to be cozy, and then just like some bags of our necessities. Here's our kitchen. Empty. I'm gonna miss this little white kitchen so much. But yeah, I've cleaned everything, wiped out all the cabinets. Just have like a to-do list there. And then this is Jesse's old lunchbox. I'm actually gonna be using that just to keep some snacks in for the road so we don't have to stop too often. And then I've got my necessities here. Okay, so I have some like fresh salsa that I made, and these Siete avocado oil chips are friggin' amazing. They're like $5 a bag, which is a little expensive, but they're so good. And then fridge is pretty much empty. We're leaving this here, so the buyers are actually, they bought this from us. So I cleaned that out. This is some food I'm taking along. My mom, so sweet, she made some chili and some cornbread. She also made some rice. I have that in another cooler for us to have, so we don't have to go out to eat all the time when we get down there, and so I don't have to cook. And then just like a couple random things that we're keeping. So Jesse is at settlement for the house as we speak. He actually just texted me, so I'm sure he probably sent me a picture of the papers. But yeah, we are handing over the keys today for this house. So it's no longer ours. This is it. It's empty in here. But yeah, super excited. We have a couple more things to take care of today. We're just finishing up throwing some stuff in the back of the truck, and then we will go and say bye to Jesse's family, and obviously that's not fun. I said goodbye to my family yesterday and today, so kind of glad that's over, but it's also really sad, so we need to go do that with Jesse's family, and then we will be on the road, and we're planning on getting down to Nashville around 7 in the morning. So yeah, super excited.
We go different ways, thoughts and all my
We are finally here and in our home, and we're just kind of chilling today. Today's Sunday, March 31st. Yeah. And this weekend has just been crazy and exciting, super fun, but also just exhausting. And we are just so relieved to finally be here in Nashville, be in our new house. Done moving everything. I mean, I still have like a bunch of organizing to do, but pretty much everything's like in the rooms where it needs to go, and we can slowly start getting back into a normal work routine, eating routine, just like a normal life routine, because everything has been out of whack the last couple weeks, and we're just really glad to be here. We still have one of our friends here, just kind of hanging out. He's heading out tomorrow, but we've had so much help and support from our friends and family, and it's just been such a blessing. We feel really lucky to have that, and yeah, we're just so excited to start basically a new life here. So yeah, that is the update. Okay, 1 year later. We love it. We love Nashville. We're so happy to be here. Still wear my hair the same way. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And that's all. Bye.